This is a GoPro housing case for a microphone adapter and an accessory kit, and we're going to go over this today. What is up, my dudes, and welcome back to the channel. First off, I just hit 50 subscribers. I know I'm a small channel, but I appreciate the support, so thank you guys so much for that. And if you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe. I have been trying to evolve my shooting technique slowly but surely as I've been doing my videos. I started doing everything on my phone because it was really easy, and then I was like, you know, these videos, they're just not as clear as I want them to be. So I tried getting one of those lens kits for your camera phone, and it was awful. I was going to do a review on that, but it was just so bad that I haven't even finished editing those videos. Then I changed to a new video editor. I was using one on my phone, and now I am using a computer-based video editor, and I'm doing everything on my GoPro instead of how I was doing everything. But now I've noticed, like, every time I drop something onto the counter, set something down, the audio spikes, and then I gotta go through and edit that. It makes it more of a headache for me. And so I was looking for I started out looking for a mic that I could use, and if you guys know about GoPros, you have to get this fun little adapter to attach a mic. And I was like, okay, that's fine, but it makes it so that it's hard to film on just a tripod, so I was looking for a case. And basically, I found something I didn't realize I wanted until I saw what it was. So we're going over what's in this box today. I'm going to make sure to go over my old filming setup, how it's evolved, and you're going to see all of that in here, and I'm going to show you the footage from how it was before and the audio from it when I do stuff like this, and then it cuts out. And I'm just going to keep it all raw so you can really see what it's like without any editing, so you can figure out for yourself if you want to go a route like this. Alright, so this is how I started out, using the Joby tripod with the camera phone. Then I tried doing the kit, but that's not in here because I already returned it. Now this is what I've been doing. This is the tripod from a general GoPro accessories kit with the GoPro case on there. Now we're going to be moving on to this. So this is the GoPro mic adapter kit, and this is the accessory case that was on Amazon. I love Amazon. They're so good to me. Alright, so in the case, everything's laid out pretty nicely. We've got our user's manuals here, and then this is the box for the microphone. Then this is the actual housing that your GoPro goes into. It comes with a light, no batteries included. Then we have a camera phone mount if I want to do some videos that way. And we have the mounting adapters and then we have the tripod here as well. Now that I have all this down, let's get it all out of the box so that you can see what it looks like. Alright, I've laid everything out on the table for you. This is our tripod. We'll start here. It actually goes pretty low, and then even up at higher levels, as long as you're not pushing down on it, it'll actually stay there, which is always good. So there's the tripod. Now this is the actual housing case for the GoPro. This is why I got it, because on the base here, that's where you can put your mic adapter in. Then it's plastic. You have the backing comes off that way. So there is the housing for the GoPro. Now this kit also comes with a phone adapter that you can put on there, and it comes with a light. Now the light doesn't come with batteries. It's two AA's that you put in on the back. I already have those in here. And now, so I don't blind you, I'm just going to shine the light down. So there's your light. It actually puts out some pretty good brightness. So we'll see what all this looks like with the GoPro inside the mount. Now, these are the adapters for the light and for the microphone. They're metal. These are really good, solid pieces. So those are pretty impressive. We've got a bag that came in with everything for the mic, so I'm assuming it's only going to fit those. It comes with two different aux cords for the microphone, one that can be extended and one that's just a standard length that you can't manipulate. Then we have the mount for the microphone and obviously the microphone. Then it comes with two different attachments to clean up your sound, which you can interchange depending on your usage. So now we're going to put all this together and see what it looks like all set up. Alright guys, so this is one way you can have it set up. I have it on here with the phone adapter and the light, the mic as well. And with everything extended, it actually isn't side heavy, so you don't have to worry about that. This is just one way that you can rearrange this. As you can see on the light, we have different spots all the way around, different connectors, which allow you to arrange it in different ways, and you can put even more attachments on here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy off. I'm actually going to put the camera in here, and we're going to do the big reveal, see what it's like without any editing again, using this setup for sound, for visual, for everything. So let's do that. Alright guys, we are now in that new setup. You have to take off the side plate on the GoPro to make this happen so that it actually works the way you want it to. So this is with the smaller filter on the microphone. Now we're going to turn the light on. This is full brightness on the light that we have there. We can adjust the light depending on your light levels, but this is what it looks like with the light on. Now we're going to do it with the big fuzzy ball on there. Alright guys, now we have that larger audio filter, whatever, that big fuzz ball on there. And I can't tell right now whether or not it's in the camera lens or not, but I'm starting to think that it probably is. We're just going to drop something on here while I talk to see if it cuts out the audio there. And then I did notice that the LED light, it flickered a little bit after I had bumped it, so not the greatest quality, but you know, it's from China, it's from Amazon, what do you expect? But this is the unboxing, the review of this whole setup. I don't even remember what it's called. It'll be in the title there. But this is a pretty cool setup, and I can't wait to see what this looks like. I'll make sure to put a picture on here as well of what it actually looks like with the cords and the setup on there and everything. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you haven't already. Y'all have fun, be safe, make good choices. Have a great day.